Today I'm going to show you how to cover some pillows with a very easy pillow cover, and I think you're going to like this. It helps you save money in the long run because you're not buying tons of different pillows to match your decor. You're just sewing the simple, easy pillow cover to cover your pillows and change them for the seasons. Another reason I like to do this is I can get more variety in my choices of material because I don't have to stick to just what the store is selling for that season on their pillows. This is going to be an outdoor pillow, but my porch is covered, so I don't have to use outdoor material, nor do I have to use an outdoor pillow. But it's just the same whether you're going to cover a pillow inside for your couch or a pillow outside for your deck or your porches. This is going to be a very simple project. It's just what I call a little pocket pillow cover. It's very easy and I think you're going to like it. So let's get started. I have measured my pillow. It is an 18 by 18 inch square pillow. So I have cut my first piece of fabric into a 19 by 19 inch square, which will allow for a seam allowance when I go to put the pieces together. This is the front. It's one solid piece, 19 by 19. As you saw on the back side of the pillow, it creates a pocket, which means the back side of the pillow is in two pieces. The first piece I cut 19 inches by 9 inches. The second piece I cut 19 inches by 11 inches. So as you see, this is what's going to create your pocket to place your pillow in when you have your pillow cover completed. Now for the assembling. The first thing I like to do is hem my back pocket pieces just like this, so you'll have a finished edge when you split the pocket apart to put your pillow in. It's very simple. I just do one fold and another fold, put it in my machine, and sew that down. I will do both pieces of the back cover so we will have that finished seam. Now that I have pinned up the hem on both of the back pieces, it's time to sew. Now that I have completed both hems on the back two pieces, it's time to assemble the pillow and sew it all together and you'll be done. You want to make sure that you sew like sides together. Before placing it on the pillow. It's very simple. You can see what's going to happen here is once we sew around all four sides, this will be your little pocket that you've created to put your pillow in. It's very simple. I like to pin it all around so it'll hold it in place while I'm sewing. So let's get that finished. As you can see, I've got all four sides pinned. All we have to do is sew one big square all the way around and the pillow cover is completed. So let's get sewing. Okay, now I have completed all four sides of sewing, and the only thing left to do now is to take your corners and just snip them at an angle, because that means when you turn your pillow cover, your corners will just look better. Don't exactly know why, but you snip your corners, I guess because all the material's not bunching up and messing up with the shape of your corners. Okay, now the fun part. We have our pocket. Just go through, turn the cover right side out, form your corners where you had cut those at a diagonal. All four corners. At this point, I like to iron the pillowcase down, or I guess you should say the pillow cover. I like to iron it down nice and flat and get all the wrinkles out of it. But as you can see, there's our little pocket where we're going to be putting our pillow in later. So let me get this ironed up and we'll see what it looks like on the pillow. Now the pillow cover has been pressed and it's time to insert the pillow. Just place it in your little pocket that you've made in the back. Once you get it in there, you're going to be pleasantly pleased with how good it looks and just how easy it was. As you can see, it's covered in the back. And there's your pillow. It's going to look great on my front porch. I'm doing a ladybug theme, and I think that these black and white polka dot pillows will be awesome to match the ladybug theme. Thanks for crafting with me today, and I hope this will inspire you to make your own pillow covers for whatever season or decor you have at home. Thanks again, and so long.